When you're sorting data in Excel, it's very easy to do a multiple column sort. The first thing you need to do is click on any cell that's within the data you're trying to sort. Then click the Data tab located in the ribbon and select the Sort Box command located in the Sort and Filter group. This will open the sorting dialog box. Click the Sort By drop-down menu. Then click the Add Level button to add another level of sorting. Select the next column to be sorted, and if you want a third level of sorting, do the process again. If I want to move one of the levels around, I click the level I want to move around, then click the up or down arrow to move it where I want it. If I want to delete a level, again, I choose the level I want to delete and click the Delete Level button. Before sorting your data, make sure that the My Data Has Headers checkbox is checked appropriately. If your data has no headers, remove the check mark. Once you're ready, click OK. Your data will sort appropriately and be ready for you to use.